Want to reorder your Instagram carousel after posting? Here's what you need to know. In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange photos in an Instagram carousel. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you're logged in. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, find and open the carousel post you want to edit. Tap on the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the post. Then, select Edit. Now here's the important part. Instagram currently does not allow you to fully reorder photos in a carousel after it has been posted. However, you do have one option. You can delete specific images from the carousel if needed. To do this, tap on the delete icon on the image you want to remove. If you really need to change the order, the best workaround is to delete the post and re-upload it with the correct order. After making your changes, tap the checkmark to save. And that's it. That's what you can and can't do when it comes to reordering Instagram carousel posts. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials.